Prepare to be enchanted as we delve into the captivating world of Sakura Falls, a town where magic and humanity harmonize in extraordinary ways. Join us in this mystical tale where the courageous Yuki, wise Mei Lin, and a host of vibrant characters navigate a tapestry of supernatural adventures, uncovering the secrets of unity, friendship, and the extraordinary. In the heart of Sakura Falls, there lived a reclusive herbalist named Mei Lin. With her knowledge of herbs and potions, Mei Lin had the ability to commune with the spirits of plants, understanding their language and the secrets they held. She lived in a quaint cottage, adorned with vines and surrounded by a lush garden, where rare and mystical plants grew under her nurturing care. One day, as a mysterious ailment plagued the town's crops, Mei Lin sensed an imbalance in the natural energies of Sakura Falls. Guided by her intuition, she set out to the Moonlit Meadow, a place rumored to be blessed by the moon goddess herself. There, beneath the silvery glow of the full moon, she encountered a spirit named Hikari, the guardian of the meadow. Hikari, a radiant being with wings made of moonlight, revealed that a dark entity had disturbed the meadow's energy. With Mei Lin's expertise and Hikari's ethereal abilities, they embarked on a quest to cleanse the meadow. Together, they journeyed through the ethereal realms, facing challenges posed by mischievous spirits and ancient riddles. Along the way, they encountered a mischievous fox spirit named Kitsune, who tested their wit with clever puzzles. Kitsune, once an enigmatic trickster, became an unexpected ally as Mei Lin and Hikari solved the puzzles, earning his respect. Upon solving the final riddle, the dark entity revealed itself, a shadowy figure known as Kurogane, an embodiment of chaos and discord. Kurogane had been drawn to Sakura Falls by the negative emotions festering in the hearts of the townsfolk. With Mei Lin's compassion and Hikari's light, they confronted Kurogane, guiding the lost spirit towards redemption. In an awe-inspiring display of unity, they transformed Kurogane's darkness into a beautiful array of vibrant butterflies, symbolizing the renewal of life and harmony. Back in the town, Mei Lin's newfound knowledge of herbal magic became a cornerstone of the community. She taught the townsfolk the ancient art of communicating with plants, fostering a deeper connection between the people and nature. The once ailing crops flourished under Mei Lin's care, and the town thrived, its prosperity a testament to the harmony between humanity and the natural world. During these events, Yuki, too, played a crucial role. Her insatiable curiosity led her to explore the depths of Sakura Falls, uncovering hidden artifacts and forgotten rituals. In her explorations, she unearthed an ancient tome that spoke of a celestial event known as the Starfall Ceremony, a rare occurrence when stars descended from the heavens, imbuing the land with celestial blessings. As the night of the Starfall Ceremony approached, the entire town buzzed with excitement. Yuki, Mei Lin, and the other newfound allies joined forces to prepare for the event. Harnessing the magical properties of the fallen stars, the ceremony became a grand spectacle, with the night sky ablaze with shooting stars, illuminating the town below in a shower of otherworldly radiance. Under the guidance of the stars, the townsfolk performed sacred rituals that strengthened the protective wards around Sakura Falls. The ceremony served as a beacon of hope, a reminder that even in the vastness of the universe, the small town of Sakura Falls was cherished and protected. In the wake of the Starfall Ceremony, Yuki, Mei Lin, Hikari, Kitsune, and the other inhabitants of Sakura Falls stood together. Their bond forged through shared adventures and a deep appreciation for the mystical wonders of their world. The town, once a quiet haven, had become a beacon of magic and harmony, a place where humans and spirits coexisted in perfect balance. And so, the story of Sakura Falls continued, a tapestry woven with the threads of friendship, courage, and the enduring spirit of unity. As the seasons changed and years passed, the town's legacy lived on, inspiring future generations to embrace the mysteries of the world and celebrate the extraordinary connections that bound them together. The town of Sakura Falls, once an ordinary place, had become a sanctuary of wonder and enchantment, forever etched in the annals of time. Thank you for immersing yourself in the enchanting story of Sakura Falls. If you found this magical journey as captivating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mystical adventures.